Yeah, she was a real one. She was running at one time. Used to truck up and down the highway with her. Big truck wheels, truck rear end. Historical license plate. Here's taking a look at the interior. Foot, feet, everything else. Car was Bentley Motors, 16 Conduit Street, London, chassis number 9504. Yeah, boy, somebody went to a lot of effort to make all this. What we got here? Wow, an old manure wagon turned into a car. Wild. Model A, Model T.
Did they make
Old rocket engine in this one. 1902. Only 3 in the world, single engine. A lot of old cars here, Duke of Hazards included. Now this was a real running car at one time. Two engines in this one. Building time 4.5 years. An Eldorado front end drive train. Rear drive. Front and rear drive. Wow. Lots here to look at. Richard Petty. 1950. Yeah, I drove had a few of these myself and wrecked them all. Well, I tell you, the cars I've wrecked. Oh yeah, Lincoln Continental. Yeah, I had a Burgundy. This is a 58 or 50. Yeah, 58. I had a 57. Blue one, baby blue. Oh, there's lots to look at down here. Grandpa's pipes, corncob pipes, everything else. Now we'll go down one row here. You can hear the music. Man, they got everything here. This is in Murdo, South Dakota is where we're at. See a movie for a nickel. Nickelodeon, I guess. Dog-powered treadmill, goat or sheep. Well, that was easy labor. Another modern convenience. We used to run the washing machine or the cream churner separator. Wow. That used to be my job. Oh, there's lots to look at here. Whoa. Mirrors of distortion. Oh my God. And the little Tonka Tinker toys. Look at them all.
There's things everywhere that you go through. We're pretty proud of this toy collection. If you look at this toys, there's all kinds of Hubleys and some Smith Millers and a lot of Tonkas.
Cream paddles, butter churns, lamps.
Price tag on sometimes we sell a few of them. But we just hope you're having a good day and you're enjoying yourself. We know we're not real fancy, folks, but there really is a lot of different stuff for you to look at. Hope you're having a good day. you're just beginning, just go through the place. You can put as much time as you want or come back in tomorrow if you want. You are among the rest. So you circle around the corner, hit the rock room, then towards the cars, on your way to the outside, there's over 40 buildings.
Well, this is for the rock hounds, and I don't have enough battery for this. Bunch of different style of horns there. Different array of spark plugs. Something people, the old imperial measurement spark plugs were always metric. That's why you can never match the thread. We didn't know metric back in them days. More cars here, more cars. The old brush. I've never seen one of those, but electric car. See, electric cars are not new. There's belly electric cars. Twin cars, oh yeah, okay. Old Hudson. They were a car ahead of their time too. Same as a Henry J, if there's one here, I don't know. V6 in this. It's V16. A lot of pistons. Old Buick station wagon. Mustang Shelby. GTO. This one I don't know. Cord 1812 or 812. Yes, well, lots of neat stuff here. Circus room, look at this. Murdo, South Dakota. Henry's Ford Garage. Old train station. I've been through here many times. I've been meaning to stop, just never did get around to it. A 53 Meteor, or Mercury 53 Mercury station wagon. Oh, lots of interesting stuff in here too. Oh man, eh? Well, here's an old Nash truck. '14 sleigh. Two-headed calf. I had a two-headed coin once. Old hay wagon. You know, this is a Corvair. It had the engine in the back. His brother Willie had one of these. I don't know if he liked it or loved it. I just got to pick and choose because my battery's running low. I don't know why I get in this situation all the time. Want to see something, battery's dead. Bunch more old cars down there. These are all Kaiser Willis vehicles. When I get a better battery, you know, if people are interested in looking at this stuff, when I get a better battery, I'll come back this way. I'll do it all over again. This is the tractor shed here. There again, we'll just take a quick shot here because there's a Lamborghini tractor. Anyway, take a quick shot, move over here. Kerosene tractors, gas and kerosene trucks. Sign says, yeah, all their old pickups, Broncos, old Dodges, old Fords. Quickly look at all this stuff. There again. I'm going to move on to the next stuff. Old Rio. I used to drive one of them old trucks. Old Studebaker truck, man. Jerry Dober had one of those. We had them trucks now. Oh. Look at all these autos here. Man, I'll tell you, no, I got to stop here next time because a lot of these cars I remember. The old Henry J. That was a car ahead of its time too. Check it out on the internet. 41 Merc, another nice, beautiful car. Rows of cars here, man. Yeah, I got to come back with a new battery. Well, here's the old Studebaker, 51 Studebaker. They were quite a car too, ahead of their time, way ahead of their time. There's a little Crosley pickup. All the stationary engines from the days of old. Well, a bunch of different appliances, stoves, etc. in here. Look at us, man. Old cream separators, printer press. I don't know what half this stuff is. Can't remember. Old gramophones. Think how many of them I wrecked. Pot belly stove with an auxiliary heater on it. Look at all the stuff here in the store. Wow. Coffee grinders. Old cook stove. Here's a Indiana truck. Never heard of it before. It looks like it does the job though. Picture a lot of old guns there too.
Very rare signs of DeLorean motor cars.
Luxury Auto 1939 Cadillac V16. Showed this to start with, but I got a little bit of battery left. Yeah, it's another Hudson. Yeah, we'll check this Bear Daily electric car out on the internet. That might be the one to build. Yeah, I've had a ride in one of these going to school one time. Hitchhiking, the guy picked me up. So we got the souvenir room, so if anybody wants some souvenirs next time it comes through, this is a place to get them. Well, yeah, lots of places to spend your money here.
There's a lot of pretties here.
Yeah, there are a lot of pretties here. Yeah. I'm just telling everybody to send their money with me next time, and I'll buy them some souvenirs.
Yes, a good idea.
That's what this manure spreader was at the beginning. Hot rod manure spreader. 460 Ford. Vacuum brakes. Yeah, hot rod manure spreader. Oh, it's even got a horn. Bonk, bonk, two horn. Whoop, whoop, bonk, bonk. Oh, that's a siren horn. This is another car that was on the road at one time or another. No lid on the gas tank. Oh well. Lights are not working. A little dirty inside right now, but you can see it was a working vehicle at one time. Looks like a pretty big barn and probably a lot of horses under that hood.